Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time.
All right, this street is Laurel. This is the property, 85 Laurel Ave. Incidentally, that house up there is 3300 Biggie Drive West. And then here's the end of the cul-de-sac. And just on the other side of that would be number 5 Via del Cielo in the oceanfront complex. So here we go, 3-car garage. That front horseshoe driveway, that's real nice. Landscaping's good. All right, so stepping on in. The floors, I remember, were maple, and now they're stained. It's really nice. A lot of light up here. This is amazing. Come to the right, we have our formal living room. This is a nice, big, impressive room here. Comes back this way into this room. Could be an office. Oh, there's a bathroom here. 3/4 with the shower. So it's really a bedroom. There's a closet. So the top floor bedroom could be in-law or guest room. There's the living room. I like this balcony out here. This is pretty. So here's dining. It rolls through the butler's pantry. And then your kitchen is across. They did the leathered granite. Wow, this is super nice. Wow, that's not that much of an upgrade there. Not there either. Not cushion clothes. These are not amazing. And this is not, it's okay, but it's not amazing. Countertop wise, it's all right. A lot of counter space, it's beautiful. I love the countertop, colors are cool. It's a walk-in pantry. Here's a family room, huge family room and a big view. The floors here are on an angle. And we got another balcony here. And a staircase that goes down. Interesting pool, hot tub. Pretty good view. You know, so here, Catalina would be over there, not to here. But then here you'd almost pick up some of the city lights. I think Malibu's that way, so you'd get sunsets all year long here. Half bath. This is another bedroom on the top floor. It's en suite. So there's one on the other side, and there's laundry here, and into a wine room. And then another 3/4 bath in the laundry area. So there's a sink. That's weird. There's a shower and a sink. There's a sink there. downstairs. This is one bedroom in the back. There's a hallway here. I remember this being like a workout room. It's a nice tile floor, access to the outside. This is a 3-quarter bath with access to this room. So it's like a Jack and Jill. And that could be used as your pool bath. But it's a Jack and Jill. So there's 1, 2, and then 3 over here, and then the master. There's 3. Here's the master, and then there's another 2 upstairs. Wow. So this is now an office, and then another room which could be a closet. What a master, just sitting here like that. This is pretty. Sitting in bed, looking out. It's a big room. There was one part I missed. Oh, the bath. So here's the closet. I wonder what that other space is on the other side of the office. Smells all new in here. This is much better than the kitchen like that. See what it's like? It's super nice. They didn't do that in the kitchen. This is nice. So, there's your master bath. If the kitchen was like that, it'd be easy.
Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.